Good day to all employers of Hong Kong. My name is Melanie T. Manarang from Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I'm 43 years old, married, and blessed to have children aged 24 and 12. My highest educational attainment is college level. I have previous work abroad in the year 2003 to 2006. I have also previous work in Hong Kong 2016 to 2018. I serve 2 children and 2 adults. My duties is ironing, cooking, cleaning the house, going to the market, and also playing with the kids. I like to work because I want to earn money from my family and to have savings for them. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. And thank you, and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.